This is Dr. Umesh Thameja. I am coming on 7th of April 2019 in Chandigarh in Sector 34 in my center to conduct a workshop for IIT JEE aspirants. My dear students, आप लोग appear होने वाले हैं this IIT JEE after 10th of April. So I am going to conduct one workshop, a rigorous workshop to revise all the important concepts, important formulas, shortcut tricks in physical chemistry and the organic chemistry particularly, and the important trends on the inorganic chemistry, particularly about the analytical chemistry. It is very important how to solve that question that is based on practicals. So on 7th of April there will be rigorous workshop from morning 9 to evening 6 in Sector 34 my center camp zone. So those who want to join this, they may contact the phone number that is being displayed on the screen. My team will contact you, you may contact my team. They will assist you how to join this workshop. There is a particular fee for it. My team will assist you. They will tell you all details about the fee structure and the whole procedure, how to join this and how to get the maximum benefit out of this workshop. So see you on 7th of April 2019 morning 900 hours sharp at Camp Zone Sector 34. Thank you.